In this PyMuPDF Stories tutorial, we will be using templates to insert dynamic data into a PDF document. First, let's make sure PyMuPDF is installed. Now we can import the library. Next, we will need an HTML template. Start by creating a basic HTML document that includes the head and the body sections. The head section must include a title. The document will display a list of films presented during a film festival. Now, let's add some content to the body section. A header element will contain the title. Next, we add an ordered list, then a list element. This is the node that will be used as a template to display dynamic content. More sub-elements will be used to display the title, film director, release date, and cast. Each element that we will need to access must have an ID attribute. Once the HTML template is ready, we can create the story object. The attribute body allows us to access and modify the document's content in a way that is similar to HTML DOM. Use the method find to find the node that has the ID film template. This is the dataset that will be used to insert content using the template. It contains the data of 3 films. We can now start a for loop to loop through the dataset and use the template to add content to the document. Use the method clone to make a copy of the template node. Next, the text from each variable will be added to the corresponding element. For each node, use the method find with the element's ID, then the method addText with the corresponding variable. Once all 4 elements are processed, use the method appendChild to add the new list element and its child nodes to the document. After the for loop, the method remove is used, as the template is no more needed. Next, create a document writer object and specify the document's file name. We also need to define the page's dimensions, as well as the area where the content can be added. A while loop is used to make sure all the content is added, even if it takes more than one page. Use the method beginPage to start a new page, then use the method place to check whether the content fits in a single page. If the value of the variable more is 0, there is enough space to fit the content in the page. We can now use the method draw to insert the content into the page. Finally, use the methods endPage and close to complete the operation. Here is the result. Stories also support CSS. Let's add some space between various elements. The parameter userCSS must be used when creating the story object. As you can see, the styling has been successfully applied to the document. Subscribe for more PyMuPDF tutorials.